Well, we've got we're pounding into a very confused sea. Water's coming into the boat. You can see that there. We've still probably got 2 hours to go. But it's been a very wet ride. Matt's saturated. Downstairs I've had to cover that tablet. We've got you can see in the bilge there, heaps of water. Oh, look at that. We've got water coming in there. We've got water coming in that chain plate. We've got water coming in that chain plate. So at the moment I'm just emptying everything, and but we're just pounding into it, pounding into a pretty rough sea. There's water coming and everything. Just trying to keep things dry. Fun and games. Look at that. Full bucket. Look out there, it's fucking crazy. We're just pounding into this sea. Getting water out of the bilge. We've got a little portable bilge pump. Already got one bucket out.